Love is overrated. Seriously, it is, and I'm going to tell you why. What's love? Well, it's an emotion, right? What's the common thing about emotions? Well, they come and go, yes? When you feel happy, sad, annoyed, or angry, usually the feeling goes away after a while, right? So, as with any emotion, love can be a temporary thing. The romantic side of us likes to think that love lasts forever, but sadly, that's false. The thing you must understand is this. Just because your woman loves you today, it doesn't mean she'll love you forever. Now, here's the problem with us guys. We think once we've made a woman their girlfriend or wife, the job's over. She's officially yours and we've won, right? Well, think again. There's a good reason 50% of marriages in the US end in divorces. 50%. Why is this? And how do we solve this problem? I'm not here to shill Shogun Method, but you know what? I really think it holds the solution to problematic relationships. Shogun Method's founder Rake gets a lot of crap for saying this, but it's true. Relationships based on love alone are fragile. For relationships to survive for the long term, love is not enough. You need emotional addiction. A famous relationship guru, I won't name who, once tried to talk shit about Rake. Like many gurus, this dude makes his money by selling seminar tickets. At one of his $10,000 seminars, someone asked him about Rake's idea of emotional addiction. He said he didn't like it, but no surprise there, right? Here's what he said. I don't agree with Rake at all. If you love someone, set her free. If she's yours, she'll come back to you. If she doesn't, she's never yours to begin with. This is stupid advice that will get guys wrecked. But that's what you'd expect from these scammers, right? I mean, there's a reason gurus mislead you because they want you to buy their seminars. Derek once told Shoguns he'd never do seminars because they are scammy as fuck, and I applaud him for that. So here's the thing. If you want your woman to love you forever, there's only one way. Make her emotionally addicted to you. Unlike love, emotional addiction is forever. When she's addicted to you emotionally, she'll need you like air to breathe or water to drink. And if she can't quit you, she can't quit loving you. If there's one thing you're going to take away from this video today, it's this. If you love someone, chain her up. Not physically, but emotionally. Emotional addiction is how you tie a woman up so she loves you forever. That's all you need to know. Simple, right? Now, here's the thing. Emotional addiction is hard to learn. The knowledge is rare. Apart from Rake, nobody else even dare to talk about it. I mean, have you ever heard about emotional addiction or enslavement from anyone else apart from anywhere else? No, right? There's a reason for this. Wimpy relationship gurus will never go near this because they are cowards. They are terrified of getting canceled and losing their seminars. Rake doesn't do seminars, and so he doesn't need to be politically correct. Okay, I'm sounding like a Shogun Method fanboy, and so I'm gonna stop here. You're intrigued, and if you're like me, you want proof that Shogun Method works. So do these two things. First, go to shogunmethod.com/love and read the stories of guys who have used Shogun Method on their women. You'll notice they're not smarter or better looking than you. See how Shogun Method works for them, and you'll understand if it works for you. The second step is to take a sampler of Shogun Method in its free online masterclass. There, you'll get to experience the power firsthand with the biggest emotional addiction tactic of all, fractionation. With fractionation, you'll get the power of creating emotional addiction in any woman, and you'll do this by putting her on psychological roller coasters. And because this technique works on the female psyche, it works on every woman. Sounds great, right? So here's what to do next. To join this masterclass, simply go to this site, fractionationhypnosis.com. There, enter your email and wait for your invitation ticket at your inbox. There's one thing I gotta warn you though. Not everyone qualifies for the masterclass. Like any worthwhile cause, Shogun Method has enemies. So, the masterclass is unavailable in some areas to block out some people. To see if you qualify, go to fractionationhypnosis.com and follow the instructions. Now, we are at the end of the video, and so let's wrap everything up. Here's everything you need to know about how to make a woman love you forever in 5 handy points. 1. Love rarely lasts forever. 2. A woman cannot quit something she is emotionally addicted to. 3. Strong relationships are built on emotional addiction, not love. 4. Few want to talk about emotional addiction because it's not politically correct. And finally, 5. Shogun Method is one of the few places you can learn emotional addiction from. So now, the choice is yours. In front of you, there are 2 paths. The first path is the default path. You can continue going where you're going, doing what you're doing, and you'll continue to get the results you've always been getting. I gotta warn you about this path, though. You know where it leads to, right? Most guys take the default path and fail in the end. Slowly but surely, they lose the love of their lives, and they can't turn back. Or, you can take the second path and embark on an adventurous journey on something you've never tried before. Shogun Method is not for everyone, but it might be for you, if you're brave enough to take a chance. And if you think you've got what it takes, sign up for the Shogun Method Online Masterclass. To do that, click on the link in the comments section below, or you can go directly to fractionationhypnosis.com. Do it. I believe in you.